Okay, we are moving on to chapter 2. And chapter 2 is a fair amount of review of financial accounting with a little bit of a twist. And so I am not going to go through another explanation of what a balance sheet and an income statement are and what they tell you, because you guys have heard me do that twice now in 2 different classes. So if you need review, the book is there available for you for your review. I want to draw your attention over here to the table of contents for chapter 2. And so the introductory part just talks about financial statements. Again, I'll leave that to you to review. The second part, cash flow identity and the statement of cash flows, I want to leave that, and I will do a little bit of a whole separate lecture on that, mini lecture on that momentarily. The third section has to do with performance reporting and talks about what is included in financial reports. Again, this is not something I'm going to personally go into a lot of detail with because I'm much more interested in the analysis. And then this last section that includes financial statements on the internet, we will probably at some point in this class go to the SEC's website and go and like do a project on that. So I'm gonna hold off on spending much time explaining to that to you right now. The other piece is that we are going to do at the end of this chapter, and for most of the modules, we're going to do a mini case. And by we, I mean you. You're going to do a mini case that kind of incorporates and applies the information that's presented. And the mini case at the end of chapter 2 is about extracting useful information from financial statements. So that's kind of just an overview of where we're going with this. It's not a ton of new information, but it is kind of higher level thinking, okay? But I know you can do it. All right, more in a minute.